The new generation of military lasers are becoming increasingly cheap to produce, while at the same time getting more deadly. So here is our list of the most powerful real laser weapons and railguns that have been developed in the last 5 years with real testing footage and an explanation of the science behind them. We will start off with the Chinese laser weapon, which is capable of burning through multiple layers of steel. The Chinese military has recently demonstrated what appears to be the world's first high-energy laser weaponized aboard a naval vessel. In fact, this was not just a low-power laser to burn some paper or anything like that. No, this was a full-on industrial laser that could cut through several layers of steel plate. This demonstration took place during the commissioning ceremony of the Chinese Type 103 combat support ship. This new type of vessel is designed to support other ships by providing fire support using various types of weapons, including conventional guns, but also a variety of new laser weapons. During the ceremony, a group of sailors can be seen aiming and firing a high-energy laser at a target downrange. What is interesting is that the target appears to be made up of several layers of steel plate bolted together, kind of like armor plating. And yet, the laser burns straight through all of these layers, leaving a perfect circular hole behind. It looks as though this laser is capable of burning through approximately 10 centimeters or 4 inches of solid steel. Now, I don't know about you guys, but I think that's pretty impressive. So, what makes this possible? Well, it comes down to two main factors: power and wavelength. Power refers to how much energy is delivered per second, measured in watts or kilowatts. The higher the power, the more intense the laser beam will be, and the greater its ability to cut through materials. The wavelength of a laser is basically its color. Different colors have different properties and are suited for different applications. For example, blue and ultraviolet lasers tend to be more focused and have a higher degree of precision, making them ideal for use in cutting tools or medical procedures. On the other hand, infrared lasers have a longer wavelength and are often more powerful, making them well-suited for use in military applications such as laser weapons. The Chinese laser weapon used in this demonstration likely had a high power output in the megawatt range and an infrared wavelength, which would explain its ability to burn through multiple layers of steel. This technology is still in its early stages of development, but it has the potential to revolutionize modern warfare. Laser weapons offer a number of advantages over traditional projectile-based weapons, including greater speed and precision, lower cost per shot, and the ability to engage multiple targets simultaneously. As laser technology continues to improve, we can expect to see more countries developing and deploying laser weapons. But that's not all. We still have the most powerful laser weapon ever created, so let's keep going. This laser weapon is so powerful that it creates a real life force field. A team of scientists at the Air Force Research Laboratory in Ohio have successfully tested the world's most powerful laser weapon, creating a real-life force field bubble around a test vehicle. This groundbreaking achievement was made possible by the lab's 150 kilowatt laser facility known as the Self-Protect High-Energy Laser Demonstrator or SHIELD. This advanced laser system uses a combination of high-energy lasers and electronic countermeasures to create an electromagnetic bubble around a protected platform, such as an aircraft or a ground vehicle. This force field can then be used to detect and automatically neutralize incoming threats such as missiles and drones without the need for a human operator. The Air Force Research Laboratory is currently working on integrating the SHIELD system into existing and future platforms to provide them with much-needed protection against increasingly sophisticated threats. By harnessing the power of high-energy lasers, this innovative technology has the potential to revolutionize the way that militaries around the world protect their valuable assets. Okay, so here's the deal. The project aims to develop a laser-based system that can automatically detect, track, and destroy incoming missiles and other airborne threats. To achieve this, the project uses a high-energy laser combined with an advanced sensor system and electronic warfare capabilities. The laser itself is capable of generating an intense beam of light that can burn through the fuselage of an aircraft or missile, causing it to break up into harmless pieces. Meanwhile, the sensor system uses advanced algorithms and artificial intelligence to quickly identify and track multiple targets in real time. The electronic warfare capabilities of the system allow it to jam enemy radars and communications, making it difficult for them to target friendly aircraft or vessels. One of the key advantages of this approach is that it offers a high degree of protection with minimal manpower. The system is designed to operate autonomously with little to no human intervention, meaning that a single laser unit can protect multiple aircraft or vessels simultaneously without requiring a large number of personnel. Let's look at the science behind this incredible technology. The core of the project is the high-energy laser, which is capable of generating an intense beam of light that can burn through the fuselage of an aircraft or missile. Lasers work by focusing a beam of light in a very tight space. The tighter the focus, the more powerful the laser. When a high-energy laser is fired at an aircraft or missile, the intense heat generated by the laser beam can cause the fuselage to ignite, leading to a catastrophic failure of the vehicle. The laser system is also highly accurate, meaning that it can hit a small target from a long distance away. This accuracy is achieved by using a combination of mirrors and lenses to focus the laser beam into a very tight spot. The sensor system used by the project is equally impressive. It uses advanced algorithms and artificial intelligence to quickly identify and track multiple targets in real time. The system is able to do this by scanning the airspace around the protected platform at a rapid pace, identifying any potential threats and tracking their movements. Once a threat is identified, the system can fire a laser to intercept the threat before it reaches its target, and that's not all. The system also has electronic warfare capabilities that allow it to jam enemy radars and communications, making it difficult for them to target friendly aircraft or vessels. This is achieved by using a combination of radio frequency emitters and digital signal processing to create an electromagnetic field that interferes with enemy radar and communications. Overall, this laser weapon represents a major leap forward in the field of laser weapons technology. Its ability to automatically detect, track, and destroy incoming threats without the need for human intervention makes it a valuable asset for any military force. As laser technology continues to improve, we can expect to see more countries developing and deploying similar systems to protect their valuable assets. But now, let's get back to the video. We are now at the halfway mark. So, let's take a look at this railgun, which fires 6 bullets at once. In a recent test conducted by the U.S. Army, the 6-barrel gun fired 6 rounds simultaneously at a target nearly 18 miles away. According to a statement released by the Army, each of the 6 barrels fired a separate round, meaning that the soldiers who fired the weapon did not need to manually load each barrel after the first shot. All 6 of the rounds were able to hit the target, demonstrating the precision and accuracy of the weapon system. This type of test is a crucial part of the development and refinement process for any new weapon system. It allows engineers and scientists to collect data on the weapon, test performance, and make any necessary adjustments or improvements. In the case of the 6-barrel railgun, This type of testing is particularly important because the system is still in the early stages of development. The Army hopes to eventually deploy the weapon in combat, so it's important that they test the system thoroughly to ensure that it is effective and reliable. Now, let's move on to the real-life lightsaber. The Tactical Airborne Light Energy Laser Weapon System, or TALAWAS, is an experimental laser weapon being developed by Lockheed Martin for the United States Army. The weapon is designed to be mounted on a Humvee or other similar-sized ground vehicle and can be used to engage targets at ranges of up to 5 kilometers. The TALAWAS weapon uses fiber lasers to generate a continuous wave of energy that can be focused into a narrow beam. This beam is then directed towards the target, where it can cause significant damage. The weapon is still in the research and development phase, but it has the potential to be a versatile and effective tool for military operations. One of the advantages of the TALAWAS weapon is that it can be used to engage a variety of targets, including armored vehicles, trucks, and even helicopters. The weapon's high-energy laser can penetrate the armor of some vehicles and cause significant damage to the occupants. Additionally, the TALAWAS weapon is relatively quick and easy to set up, making it a good option for use in situations where time is critical. However, the weapon is still in the early stages of development, and there are challenges that need to be overcome before it can be deployed in actual combat. One of the main challenges is the size and weight of the weapon system. The TALAWAS weapon is significantly larger and heavier than traditional firearms, which makes it difficult to transport and operate. Another challenge is the logistics of using the weapon. The TALAWAS weapon requires a large amount of electricity to operate, which can be a problem in areas where there is limited access to power. Despite these challenges, the TALAWAS weapon has the potential to be a game-changer in military operations. The weapon's ability to engage a variety of targets from a safe distance makes it an attractive option for military planners. If the weapon can be made more portable and easier to use, it could become a common sight on the battlefields of the future. Now, it's time for the final laser weapon on our list. But before we get there, let me tell you about something that I am really excited about. And now, let's get back to the video. This laser weapon takes out entire armies from miles away. The German Rhine metal laser weapon system is one of the most powerful laser weapons ever created. Developed by the German defense company Rheinmetall, this laser system is designed to engage multiple targets simultaneously, including infantry, armored vehicles, and artillery positions. With a power output of up to 600 kilowatts and a range of up to 5 kilometers, the Rheinmetall laser can easily penetrate the armor of most military vehicles and the concrete fortifications. In addition to its impressive firepower, the Rheinmetall laser is also highly accurate. The system uses advanced targeting and tracking capabilities to ensure that the laser beam is focused on the intended target, minimizing the risk of collateral damage. Furthermore, the Rheinmetall laser is highly versatile and can be used in a variety of operational scenarios. The system can be deployed on a variety of platforms, including ground vehicles, ships, and aircraft, making it a highly flexible asset for military forces. Overall, the Rheinmetall laser weapon system represents a significant advancement in laser weapon technology. Its high power output, accuracy, and versatility make it a formidable weapon that can be used to engage a wide range of targets in various operational scenarios. As laser weapon technology continues to develop, we can expect to see more powerful and sophisticated laser weapons that can be used to protect our troops and defend our nation. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.